Liquid concentrates are ready to be diluted with water and applied, while granular concentrates are designed to be dissolved or spread depending on the formulation. Liquid pesticide concentrates are typically measured by volume, mixed in a calibrated measuring cup or tank, and added to water in a 3-step fill method to ensure proper dilution. Start by partially filling the tank or container with water, add the liquid concentrate slowly while agitating, then fill to the final volume and mix thoroughly by stirring or recirculating for at least 1 minute to achieve a uniform solution. When handling liquids, always rinse the empty bottle 3 times using water and add the rinsate to your application tank to avoid waste and reduce contamination. Granular concentrates are weighed by mass and either broadcast directly or dissolved in an application bag if the product label directs dissolution. When dissolving, use warm water if allowed and stir until all particles are fully suspended to prevent uneven application. For both types, consult the product label for specific temperature, pH, and compatibility limits, and perform a small test batch when mixing new combinations to confirm stability. Use calibrated equipment for both volume and mass measurements, and record batch mixes and application rates to maintain consistent efficacy and for regulatory compliance. Common mistakes include under-mixing liquids, which leads to uneven coverage and reduced effectiveness. Fix this by using a consistent agitation method and mixing for the full recommended time. Another issue is failing to rinse liquid containers 3 times, which wastes product and can contaminate disposal systems. Always triple rinse and add rinsate to the tank. A third frequent error is improperly dissolving granular concentrates, which leaves undissolved clumps and causes blockages or poor distribution. Prevent this by following label directions for dissolution, using the correct water temperature and stirring until fully dissolved, and by screening the solution if required before application. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where users and professionals exchange practical tips about products, mixing, and application best practices. We help contractors find work through our platform and support homeowners in sourcing reputable local help while fostering peer discussion.